If you've got a brand new Brother MFC-J5855DW sitting on your desk and you're stuck trying to get it connected, then this video has got you covered from start to finish. Here, I'm going to show you exact steps to set up your MFC-J5855DW, like unboxing, connecting to a Wi-Fi network, installing the drivers and software on your computer, and getting your first print job done. But if you think you need more guidance, you can call the numbers on the screen for real-time printer expert help. Now, let's begin with the process.
Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date.
For the first step, load some paper into your printer and turn it on. Next, load the ink cartridges into your printer. Move to the touchscreen panel and set the date and time. After that, you will see the screen. Simply tap on the Start option to print a page and check the print quality. On the printed sheet, check whether the lines are clear, unbroken, and free of smudges. If you're happy with the print, then tap on the New option. Now, open your computer and visit the official Brother website. Then, download the fill driver and software package and open it. Also, if you find these steps easy to follow, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Alright, now, let's begin with the further steps. When the Setup Wizard opens on the screen, confirm your language and click on the Next button. Next, agree to the license agreement to proceed with the further steps. On the next page, connection option will appear to choose from. Here, I'm going to choose the USB option. Now, go ahead and attach the USB cable to your computer and printer. Head back to the computer screen and click on the Next option. Once you're on the screen, choose Standard and click on the Next. Next, the software installation process will begin. Once that's done, click on the Finish button and your printer will be ready to print.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.